Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about functions chapter in Maths 1A, exercise 1B, questions, most important questions of exercise 1B we will discuss today. So I will write now. Composite function. So see here. If f is to a to b and g is to b to c be two functions then the combination of these two functions we write now g circle f is mapping from a to c be also a function defined by g circle f of a is equals to g of f of a. G circle f of a can written also g of f of a. For all a belongs to a. Is called a composite function of g. Composite function of g with f. Okay, so this is the combination of two functions, that is nothing but composite function. So in exercise B, so combination of two functions will be there. So in exercise A only one function is there, either f or g only, but in exercise B f and g, so both functions are exist here. So like this here, suppose see here, how to write to see here, what is domain, what is codomain. Already discussed in previous class what is domain, what is codomain. So f is to a to b, a is called a domain of f and b is called a codomain of f. So this is domain and this is codomain. A is domain and b is codomain, clear, of f. And g is mapping from b to c. So b is domain, c is codomain, clear. So a is domain here and b is codomain. Here b is domain and c is codomain of function g. So g circle f is mapping from a to c, we written here. Okay, so in this case this is domain and this is codomain. So clear. So observe these three functions here, f, g and g circle f. Okay, so now how to write here a to c, see here. So first of all we take here g circle f, what is there, g function is there, so g is mapping from b to c, so that's why we write it g is mapping from b to c. Then after f is there, so we write here f now a to b. So combination of these two functions we write here, we are deleting these two values here, not only b, take any values. So first of all we are deleting these two values. So g circle f is mapping from remaining values we write here, so a to c, like this here. So g circle f is mapping from a to c, here directly right here. Okay, so not only this one, suppose f circle g, how to write here, f circle g mapping also combination of these two functions, f circle g also exist here, but composite function of f with g this is. So what is the difference here? G circle F and F circle G both are not the same functions. So that's why both are not mapping same A to C. Clear? So there is difference is there. So in the finding of F circle G, what right now F circle G is nothing but is mapping from B to B we write here. So how to write here? This is C here. So in this case, first function is nothing but F. So F is mapping from already given here A to B. F is mapping from A to B, and G is mapping from B to C. So combination of these two functions, we are deleting these two values here. So now F circle G we write here. F circle G is mapping B to B like this here. So we got this one. So we write here combination of any two functions by using this condition we write here. Clear? So we are deleting these two functions here, these two values here. There, that one AB or AA or BB, take any one, that will be deleting. Delete చేసేయండి అంతే. చేసిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ వి రెడీ. ఇక్కడ డొమైన్ బి ఉంది కాబట్టి బి డొమైన్, కోడొమైన్ బి ఉంది కాబట్టి బి. ఇక్కడ డొమైన్ ఏముంది? ఏ ఉంది, ఏ రాస్తున్నాం. కోడొమైన్ ఏముంది? సి ఉంది, సి రాస్తున్నాం. అట్లా అలా రాయాలి. క్లియర్? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టూ ఫంక్షన్స్. క్లియర్? సో see here, f is mapping from A to B, then f of A equals to B we write here. F of A, A value is nothing but A belongs to A, the A అనేది A లో ఉంటుంది, B belongs to B. Clear? So G is mapping from B to C, then what we now by using same condition, so G of B is equals to C. G of B equals to C. Next one, G circle F is mapping from A to C. That's why what we now G circle F of A is equals to C we write here by using these conditions like this here. Okay, F of A equals to B and G of B equals to C, and G circle F of A is equals to C we get here. Clear?